A hollow cylinder is filled with three identical spheres. Radius of sphere is same as radius of cylinder, so I can consider radius of sphere as r. Radius of cylinder is also r. Find the fraction of the cylinder that remains empty. Now fraction of cylinder that remains empty, so for that we will be finding volume of cylinder and volume of sphere, that will be times by 3, and then we need to subtract them. Now to get volume of cylinder, we need to see that total height of the cylinder will be 2r, 2r and 2r. So that will be 6r. So pi r square h is 6r. You have to just use the general formula. And for volume of sphere, it will be 4 by 3 pi r cube, and that will be times by 3. So on calculation, the first answer comes out to be 6 pi r cube, and the second one will be 4 pi r cube. Now what is the volume of air in that? So for that I will do volume of cylinder minus volume of sphere, and that will be 6 pi r cube minus 4 pi r cube, that will be 2 pi r cube. So this is the volume of cylinder which is empty. Now they are asking fraction of cylinder that remains empty will be the empty portion over the actual volume of cylinder, which is 6 pi r cube, and that will give me 1/3. So 1/3 of the fraction of cylinder will remain empty. Okay, you can write it down properly, but this is how you have to show your working, and the question is done.